Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh, and a very good morning to everybody in this room. I'm Azizah binti Mahmood from University Malaysia Terengganu. For this special session, I would like to share about my topic, bakery product, knowledge transfer to improve the economic status of selected disabled from community-based rehabilitation, or known as CBR. First of all, I would like to talk a little bit about the introduction. What is OKU, or in English we call as PWD? According to Disability Act 2008, disabled or OKU is defined as a person who have long-term physical, mental, intellectual, sensory impairment, which in interaction with various barriers that may hinder their full and effective participation in society. This may include Down syndrome, autism, dyslexia, intellectual disability, epilepsy, as well as mental problem. So what is CBR and how it relates to the PWD? CBR is actually the short form of community-based rehabilitation, which was established in 1983. Purposely, this organization played their role to train PWD with basic skills to polish their abilities and their talents, as well as to develop their skill in a particular field. So our main concern regarding to these issues are among them. First one, the need special instruction or training to upgrade their understanding. Second, inadequate resources specifically created for PWD as a guideline for them to practice. And then the third, inability to live independently and prepare for job opportunities. And lastly, unemployment rate of PWD remains significantly higher. So regarding to this, we introduced a knowledge transfer program that involved a series of workshops using a special module called PWD friendly module. In this workshop, the PWD that staying in PPDK or CBR were technically trained to produce bakery products. We believe that the intellectual disabled have a potential to be trained with vocational skill. According to Moshita Hayati and Suhaida, vocational skills, particularly in food preparation and service, is much needed ahead from as compared to other fields like gardening, sewing, carpentry, and so on. In this figure, it shows us the flow chart of our knowledge transfer program. Starts from the screening of the participant, development of bakery product, development of PWD friendly modules, training session or workshop, and evaluating of the effectiveness of the module and the training skills and knowledge. So we go to our methodology. In terms of the working procedure, we start with screening of participants, in which 27 of disabled from 2 PPDKs, Seberantake and Gombada, were participants in this workshop. So for clinical participants, actually intellectual disability of age 18 and above who have no health problem and able to manage themselves were the main condition that eligible to involve in this program. We collected some data, for example, data on weight, height, and BMI, as well as their blood pressure, blood glucose, hemoglobin level, and urine test. This knowledge transfer project has been approved by a Research Ethics Committee from University Malaysia Terengganu. Okay, this slide actually show the food handler training course, or commonly known as Khusus Latihan Pengendali Makanan (LPM). This course specifically created for PWD, and it is actually compulsory by KKM for those who involved in any food preparation or food handlers, as according to the Food Act 1983. Okay, for food product formulation, actually, we choose 4 types of bakery to be proposed in this program, including roti paung, sausage bread, mini pizza, and red bean bun. At this stage, several trials have been conducted to get the best formulation and the most stable product after freezing, in order to ensure that the sustainability of the formulated product to be commercialization or commercialization. And the next stage of our activities was the development of PWD friendly module. The content of this module is organized to be easily understood and applicable for PWD, which can be divided into functions of the ingredients, equipment to be used, as well as processing procedure and packaging and labeling. What is so special about this module? In this module, actually, we use pictorial instruction method for weight measurement. And then, secondly, the color and the size of the cup or spoons distinguish different proportion in which no metric units was used. Repetition of the color with the same cup or the spoon if the measurement has large quantity or more than 1 unit. And then for each step, there has been accompanied by pictures as instruction. For knowledge and skill measurement, we use semi-structured observation and interview method as applied by Azhari Azman et al. In 2019. A total of 10 PWDs were involved in 3 series of workshops. The measurement was conducted at each time after completed the workshop in terms of their knowledge, their preparation skill, as well as quality of the product produced. Okay, the feasibility and acceptance of module will also measure, which involves the trainers, CBR staff, and their parents. In this measurement, a 5-point scale was used to measure feasibility of the module: color scheme, language use, skill, and knowledge enhancement, user-friendly level, and how attractive of the module is to an individual attention. Okay, what I would like to present about my result and discussion. So table 1, okay, shows us data of health screening of 27 PWDs from PPDK Seberantake and PPDK Kombada. A number of the PWD actually got specific health problem, which make them not feasible to be participated in the workshop session. Among them, they got diabetes, high blood pressure, kidney problem, asthma, allergy, and joint pain, as well as got health problem in the last 3 months. And also, there were 4 of the OKU from PPDK Gombada which actually need help or equipment to move around. In terms of data of self-management, okay, 100% of the disabled are able to be independent in terms of eating and drinking, wearing clothes, and self-cleaning. And 70% of them can serve food and washing dishes by themselves, and the rest, 25% 26% still need some help. And then about 51% of them can prepare their own drinks and washing process, while the others 49 still need some help. In the aspect of ability to prepare simple food preparation, about 48% can independently prepare food, while 33% can prepare food but with some help. Okay, and then about 18% only that need completely help from others to prepare simple food. This table shows us comparisons of result of knowledge, skill, performance, and quality of product obtained between the 3 times of workshop that they have attended. All the data were analyzed using PET t-test for 10 numbers of participants or trainers. Okay, according to this table, there was significant improvement of their knowledge on the functional of ingredients used in the bakery product, which improved from 74% in workshop 1 to 96% in workshop 3. Similarly, a significant improvement of skill shown in the workshop, in which in the workshop 1 they were only able to prepare the product with some help, while after workshop 3 they were able to prepare the bakery product almost by themselves. And the quality of final bakery product also increased after underwent 3 cycles of workshop. In this, they improve from average quality to almost very good quality of final product. Table 3 shows us the feasibility of and the acceptance of the PWD-friendly module. Generally, we can say that the respondent strongly agree, 83%, with the ease to use the design module. The perception of the language and color scheme indicated higher score value, 63.3%, for strongly agree, and none of them gave lower score than agree only. 100% of the respondents said that this module considered as user-friendly, helpful, recommended to be used by others in the future. In conclusion, we can say that through the vocational skills training program that is tailored to the PWD abilities can be improved their knowledge and skills. This knowledge transfer program on bakery production is in line with the objectives and functions of vocational education for the disabled to acquire skills and subsequently use those skills for employment and opportunities to live independently. Indirectly, such programs are able to boost their confidence level to interact with public as well as to reduce the negative perception of employers about their capabilities. And finally, I would like to acknowledge all parties that directly involved in the knowledge transfer program. Okay, this is our memorable picture at one of the PPDK involved in this program. Here are some references used in this slide presentation. Okay, thank you very much.